Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the left closing cam in this LG refrigerator, you will need a step stool, a 10mm socket with ratchet, and a screwdriver or drill driver with number 2 Phillips bit. Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components. Use tape to hold doors in place when removing the top hinge brackets. Unscrew both Phillips head screws and remove the hinge cover. Now remove the Phillips head screw that secures the ground, then remove the 3 10mm bolts. Pull the bracket up from the studs, twisting it to the side. Now remove the wire from the bracket. Unplug the wire harness from the display assembly case and remove the tape. Lift the door off of the bottom hinge to remove it. Place the fridge door on a flat surface. Unscrew the closing cam and remove it from the door. Take out the new closing cam from the packaging. Slide the new cam over the mounting stud and secure it with the screw. Place the door onto the bottom pivot hinge and shut the door. Use tape to secure the door. Plug in the wire harness. Slip the wire in the bracket, twist it in position, and set in place over the studs. Then secure the 3 bolts. Tighten the Phillips screw to secure the ground. Snap the hinge cover into place over the hinge bracket and secure with both screws. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.